Okay, today I'm going to be sharing a recipe for Cinco de Mayo. We're going to be doing sheet pan tacos. This is going to come together so easy and quick. I'm preheating my oven to 425 degrees. I'm going to use 1 pound of ground beef. Now, I recommend ground round. My husband misunderstood my message, so he got ground beef instead. This is my homemade taco seasoning. I will insert that recipe in the video footage here so you can see how I do it. I wanted to share this homemade taco seasoning. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, preferably smoked if you have that, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt or sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano, and a pinch of red pepper flakes. This will make 9 servings, 1 teaspoon per serving. I doubled mine, and it actually smells just like taco seasoning. So, without all the garbage in it. Try it out. It was very simple to make, and most of the ingredients you'll have in your cupboard. I had all of them in my pantry. And I'm going to use 3 tablespoons of it. Okay. Want to do a couple tablespoons of minced onions or onion flakes. I'm using Fiesta blend cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. Mexican cheese, cheddar cheese, whatever you prefer. I'm going to use approximately 1.5 cups. I'm going to take my flour tortilla shells, dampen a paper towel, and wrap them in it and put them in the microwave for about 20 to 30 seconds to make them soft and pliable. I'm going to go ahead and work this meat up in my hands. I can't believe my husband thought I said ground beef. I never eat ground beef. I eat ground round. And I'm not crazy about it anyway. It's not my favorite thing, you know. Now, if you have a can of green chilies or some jalapenos, I would add them to it. I don't have any. I thought I had some jalapenos, but I don't. I also have a sheet pan that I've got lined with parchment paper that we're going to put these on. Okay, just a second. Pan laid there. And I'm going to lay it out. Hopefully I can fit these all on there. I don't know. We'll see. And if you want to add some little bit of refried beans, you can do that as well. If you're watching this video, make sure that you check out my Tres Leches 3 Milks cake and strawberries Tres Leches recipe, as well as my flan recipe and my creme brulee. Okay, so we're going to take I'm using avocado oil, and I'm just going to spray my shells with that. And then I'm going to take, you don't want to overfill them because your meat has to cook in the oven. And then we're going to take a little bit of refried beans and spread that out on the other side. Let me show you. A couple tablespoons. And then you're going to fold them over. And then we'll spray the other side when we get done filling it. You're going to do that for each one of these. Let me wash my hands. If you're enjoying this video, just go ahead and hit that thumbs up or like button for me. It really helps me out. And I invite you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that and hang out with me. We're going to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on top and then put them in the oven for 20-25 minutes. We'll turn them after 15 minutes and do the other side. All right, it's going in the oven. We'll turn them in 15 minutes. Okay, so let's flip these over and hopefully they'll be great. Oh yeah, that looks good. Almost like a Crunchwrap Supreme or something, it seems like. Let's put them back in there and we'll check them again in about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, I think they're finished. Oh yeah. Yeah, these look amazing. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. I don't know what they remind me of, but they remind me of something. And I love how crunchy they are. Might can get Chad to do a taste test, but they're awfully hot. They would have to cool a little bit first. But they look amazing. Chad, they're ready. Chad. Let's see if I can get Chad to do a taste test without it burning his mouth off. Let's see here. I don't know how many he'll want. I don't know how many you'll want, but I was going to see if you do a taste test. These are really hot, though. Really, really hot. Huh? What'd you ask me?
What are they called? Or you call them something?
Sheet pan tacos.
Sheet pan tacos.
They look pretty good, don't they?
They look amazing.
Let's get a picture of
they
it.
smell even better. Let's
try a bite of this, see if we can. Oh, I still don't feel very well at all. This is hot. I'm getting a little bit of sour cream and a little bit of guac.
It's delicious. You know what the best part is? That crunchy shell. So good. Those are great. Gotta give them a try. I hope everyone has a happy Cinco de Mayo. Thanks for watching. I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and hang out with me. And I'll see you in the next video. I'll be sharing a recipe for, I think I'm doing flan next, or creme brulee. I've also got a Mother's Day brunch recipes I'm going to be sharing coming up in the next week. So don't forget your Mother's Day is May the 10th. So let's get those recipes prepared and fix something that's delicious but easy.